Thank you for serving. Wah, sabi ko ayaw ko yun.
Money ko. Diyan mo na.
This is my breakfast. And this is my favorite. Oh, cappuccino with pasta. Sabi ko, palitan ko ito ng coffee. Hindi niya naintindihan. Ganito pag nag-order ka sa Hong Kong, mali-mali ang binibigay. Wow! Is milk?
Milk tea.
Hi! Enjoy your breakfast.
Gutom much.